What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over our friend Gala games. We did exactly what we were forecasting in the previous video. So we're sitting at 0.04812. We're down 2.4 on the day. Market cap 1.47 billion. 24-hour volume 135 million. So we're looking for Gala to push up to the 50% level. Let me show it to you guys here. I'm just going to quickly show the bearish scenario, which is looking more probable. So what we're looking for, come on, bro, off that low here was to push up in a wave C of the wave 4, and we pushed right up to our target, which was the 50%. If you take a fib retracement from the 2 to the bottom of the 3, I always have lag when I screen record, directly push up to the 50%. We didn't create a 5-way move. Instead, we double top. So if that neckline breaks, that gives more confirmation of coming down in a wave 5. You would target the 61.8 at 0.02930. If we bounce, we put in a higher high. Yes, we can look at a bullish scenario. But if that neckline breaks, as I mentioned, we have a nice double top and we could roll over. We did catch a nice trade on the way up, which I gave a signal for, 86% profit. I'm currently in another trade for BTCC. My signals are free. You can gain access at the end of the video. So I think the higher probability is we reject. We break this double top. We come down towards 0.02930 or potentially the 50%, 0.03356, which is my break even on my investment. So maybe I'll look to add more to my position if we do end up breaking 0.03356. But the normal target for wave 5 is the 61.8, which is 0.02930. We're continuing to hold the bullish cross on the weekly, even if we do come lower. I do think there's a decent chance we bounce from the high 2-cent range and see that continuation back to the upside. We're simply going through a correction. So we pushed up here. Let me zoom out to the 4 hours so it's easier for you guys to understand. Yeah, so as you can see here, off the bear market low, we have a wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback. Pushed up in a massive wave 3, ABC down in a 4 would have to be leading diagonal because the wave 4 has broken into the wave 1. But that is possible. If we break the wave 2 low at 0.0199, it would invalidate that unless all of this impulse is a wave 1 to the upside. But as you can see, it does look like 3 waves. So we could be looking at leading diagonal off the bear market low, pulling back to about 0.02930 before continuation back to the upside for our friend Gala. I'm mostly trading Gala and a bit of Bitcoin. Last week was pretty good. We had 7 wins, 5 loss, total profit 297. And I've took a small Gala long, decided to close it, and then I re-entered. We're also in a SOL long, but it's a spot trade. And yeah, I re-entered and hit a nice 86% profit. And right now I'm in a trade for BTC. I'm also trading US 30 every single day. Doing really, really well trading US 30. Here's the last week results on US 30. As you can see, we had 7 wins, 1 loss. Total profit 658 pips and a little bit of USD CAD. So completely free access to my trade signals, my analysis, Forex signals. We have almost 3,000 members. All you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world through my code in the top of the comments. Send me email after your first deposit. You can deposit $10, $100, doesn't matter. And I'll give you free access to my trade signals for Forex and crypto and my daily crypto analysis. If you don't want to sign up to Bitfinex, you can sign up through the Patreon for $10 a month. All links down below. Smash up the like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.